In this video, we are going to introduce the SQUEAKS productivity software. Hundreds, if not thousands of times per day, concerning events, or what we call SQUEAKS, occur on production lines. These can include process abnormalities, calls for machine care, or a full line stoppage, for example. They're important indicators of a potentially greater, looming concern if not dealt with immediately and effectively could lead to costly downtime, product recalls, or employee safety-related incidents. Before SQUEAKS, conventional communication devices have presented significant shortcomings where efficiency matters. Among these, team members must be in proximity of the warning lights or alarms. Unclaimed or unnoticed alarms disrupt workers and impede team focus. The details are inadequate. The alarms provide only limited bits of information through an open-loop communication process that allows no ability to share feedback. And team leaders are relegated to conducting meetings around antiquated paper-based boards displaying information that is often outdated. When we created SQUEAKS, we envisioned a technology that would enable people to resolve these challenges in a more efficient manner, using a modern communication platform that enables employees to achieve more and stress less. SQUEAKS is your always-on-call digital assistant. It keeps an eye or an ear out for concerning events and brings them to the attention of the right people at the right time in a more efficient manner. SQUEAKS keeps you running in the green with communications that are mobile. Your employees cover more ground and collaborate immediately, anytime, anywhere. Targeted. Alerts are quiet, directed, and relevant based on employee roles and responsibilities. Richer. Messages can be predefined, concise, and can include photos and videos for greater clarity. Closed loop. The ownership and status of every event is clearly defined. And digital, with visual management boards that are synchronized with up-to-the-moment information so employees can spend more time analyzing the data and less time collecting it. Given the mission-critical nature of manufacturing, SQUEAKS has reimagined a technology that can drive action and answer the crucial question, now what, after a concerning event. SQUEAKS incorporates valuable product features like workflows that provide guidance and escalation rules that clarify ownership, drive accountability, and ensure that concerning events cannot be ignored. SQUEAKS improves employee productivity by ensuring everyone stays a step ahead of concerning events, meaning less downtime, quicker response times, and greater profitability. SQUEAKS embraces the past and the future, integrating proven manufacturing principles with modern digital communication technologies. SQUEAKS is the communication platform that makes the most productive workers in the world more productive. With SQUEAKS, productivity is everything. Put it to work for you.